Grand awakening, Virgo, my earth babies. Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation. Love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the ebooks, the music. It's great products there. Your word of the day is acceptance. Virgo, what do we need to accept right now? You're the best version of yourself, the strongest version of yourself that you ever have become to this point. And you're only going to become better. So accept the things that are working for you and the things that do not work for you, the things that don't belong in your greater future, into your greater manifestation, your greater person, your greater personality, your greatest vibe. Let it go. It does not serve you. It may feel good to be able to be the incumbent's protection, to be able to be on point, making sure that no one's taking advantage of you, but it's a drain of energy. Let spirit do its job. They will protect you. Lead with love. I accept every step that life presents without resistance. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow stronger, wiser. Therefore, you can manifest and maintain bigger and better blessings that you're asking for. Thus, I advance in freedom on my path to light. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.